this is your beautiful and spacious living and dining. You'll be getting an open kitchen concept where you can check how beautiful and spacious this room. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Birla Evara project which is located in Sarjapur, Bangalore. A project by Birla Estate. And today we are here to check out that 3 BHK plus servant room sample flat. But before that, let's check out the surrounding of this project. So exactly behind me, this is the sales office of the project, and exactly behind the sales office, you can check out the land parcel. So that is the land parcel of this project. And this site over here, this is the internal road of the project, Birla Evara. And now, before moving further, let me tell you that what exactly Housey is. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many calls. But well, in Housey, we connect you directly with developers. As listing in Housey is done directly by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview. This project will be constructed on 28 acres of land parcel consisting of 13 towers with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 24, 25 or 27 floors having 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Coming to the location part, this project is located on Gopal Krishna Adiga Road, Muneshwara Layout, Sarjapur, Bangalore. This is the main road, that is the Gopal Krishna Adiga Road, and on the left hand side goes towards the Sarjapur main road and Muneshwara Layout. Now let me tell you the main connectivities from here. Outer Ring Road is 20 minutes away from this location. Whitefield Vartu Road is 18 minutes away. Electronic City is 28 minutes away, with HSR Layout is 27 minutes away from this project. Now the amenities part. This project is coming up with 40 plus ultra luxurious amenities like a swimming pool, clubhouse, jogging track, multi-purpose sports court, gymnasium and many more. Now let's check your 3 BHK plus servant room of 1325 square feet usable carpet area. So as you can see, there are two entrances. This is the main entrance of your flat and this is the entrance for your servant room. Now let's enter from your main entrance. Here you can check that there is the digital door lock for security purpose, and this is the personal foyer area for your privacy. And once you enter, on my right hand side you can see the servant room entry. This is the second entry of the servant room. This is your servant room. Comes with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose with attached washroom. With the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now this is your beautiful and spacious living and dining area. This is rectangular living and dining area. So exactly where I'm standing, you can make it as a living area and set your sofa set like this. And here the balcony is also attached. They have provided a balcony which is attached to your living area. You can check the balcony which is beautiful and spacious. This balcony is 3-side covered with anti-skid tiles and with iron railing. So you can enjoy the beautiful and scenic view from this balcony. Now moving towards the dining area, exactly behind your living area, you have been provided with a dining area. So this is a huge dining area. Easily you can set your 8 to 10 set of dining table over here. Now exactly in front of your dining area, they have provided you the kitchen area. Here you will be getting an open kitchen concept which makes it more spacious. So they have provided with L-shaped fitted granite platform with 2 sinks. Yes, one sink comes in the kitchen area and other in the dry balcony. So here is the enclosed dry balcony. Comes with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and here they have provided a provision for washing machine and dishwasher. Even there is a tile drop to avoid the water spillage. Now moving towards the bedroom, on my left hand side comes the guest bedroom. So let's check the guest bedroom. This is your spacious and beautiful guest bedroom. You can check that after the bed and even the wardrobe with a couch, there is ample of space to walk around in your room. Here comes a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now over here, this bedroom is attached with a washroom. Comes with Endoscate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's check the other part of the house. So moving through your living and dining area, we will go towards your other two bedrooms. So this is your passage area, and on my left hand side comes your bedroom number 2, that is your kids bedroom. So this is your beautiful kids bedroom. Look how beautiful interior work is done for your kids bedroom, right? So there is ample of space over here, and even they have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Additionally, they have even provided the attached washroom with this bedroom. So here comes the washroom with Endoscate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, before entering towards your master bedroom, let me tell you that what all features Housey provides you. Housey provides you with the actual location tool with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project with payment scheme and EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. And all these features under one platform, that is under www.housey.com. So you just need to visit our website and schedule your free site visit. And now on my right hand side you can see the common washroom. So here comes the common washroom with Endoscate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now this is the entrance towards your master bedroom. Look how beautiful and spacious the master bedroom is. But firstly we'll check the attached washroom. So here comes the attached washroom with Endoscate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now this is the space. You can check how beautiful and spacious this room is with wooden finishing flooring and the ample of space over here. Even they have provided a balcony. So here comes the balcony, that is the sit-out area where you can spend time with your partner and enjoy the beautiful and scenic view from here. This balcony comes with Endoscate tiles and iron railing. So now, as you all know, we are here at Birla Estate Property. Have you checked another project with Birla Estate? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such details of this project, you can click on the I button below. And for more such videos, like, follow and subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.